Welcome to Tech Code TV, where innovation meets life-saving technology. Today, we're diving into the world of incredible inventions that can save your life. In a world full of uncertainties, these inventions stand as beacons of hope, offering solutions to life-threatening situations. Join us as we explore the latest advancements in medical devices, emergency response systems, and personal safety gadgets. From wearable health monitors to smart home safety devices, these inventions are not just remarkable, they have the potential to make a life-saving difference. Discover the Woodpeckers Saw Gauge 2.0, a game-changer for woodworking enthusiasts. Crafted by its creators to elevate your sawing experience, the Saw Gauge 2.0 promises unparalleled ease and accuracy, surpassing any analog alternative. This innovative gauge ensures flawless precision in every cut, becoming an indispensable tool for woodworkers of all levels. Its compatibility with US, European, and Chinese saws, coupled with the capacity to handle measurements up to 51 centimeters with an extension, enhances its versatility, catering to a wide range of woodworking needs. Upgrade your woodworking arsenal with the Woodpeckers Saw Gauge 2.0, now available for purchase. Maintaining the longevity of your saw blades is crucial for optimal performance. Introducing BLADECLEAN, the ultimate solution for effortless blade cleaning and maintenance. Priced at just $240, BLADECLEAN simplifies and expedites the cleaning process, ensuring the removal of resin buildup and dust collection from your blades. With its compatibility extending to blades up to 30 cm in diameter, BLADECLEAN stands out as one of the fastest and most efficient cleaning options available. Say goodbye to confusion between dirty and blunt blades, as BLADECLEAN prevents unnecessary sharpening, saving you time and money in the long run. Don't miss out on this incredible deal, available now for only $100. Introducing DrillEase, the ultimate cordless drill designed for tackling tough tasks with precision and efficiency. Unlike its counterparts weighing about 23 kilograms, DrillEase boasts a lightweight design coming in at under 14 kilograms. With a fully charged battery, this powerhouse can drill an impressive 120 holes, reaching depths of up to 15 centimeters in just 3 seconds. Say goodbye to the hassle of hoses, fluids, or generators. DrillEase is perfect for projects on bridges or in tight tunnel spaces. Grab your DrillEase today for $3,360 and experience the difference firsthand. Calling all drywall professionals. The Wolfcraft Triple Blade Edge Planer is your key to achieving flawless 35-degree edges in a single pass. Designed to handle boards ranging from 9.5 to 12.5 millimeter thickness, this planer's ergonomic design enables easy one-handed operation. Equipped with 3 easily replaceable blades, the Wolfcraft Edge Planer ensures efficiency and precision in every use. Don't miss out on this essential tool, available for purchase at just $41. Holmatro stack bags revolutionize lifting with their compact yet powerful design. With a pressure of up to 12 bar, stacking 3 bags allows you to lift loads of up to 50.1 centimeter high. The HSB range includes 4 models, from basic to top tier, capable of handling loads up to 27 tons with ease. Easy to use and efficient, these stack bags ensure optimal performance from your first use. Plus, with a special control unit, you can lift and load bags individually for added convenience. Experts anticipate an 8% growth in their usage, highlighting their reliability and effectiveness. In the global container fleet, Coldene ISO shipping container castors are indispensable for unloading and loading equipment. These caster wheels come in various versions, supporting cargo loads ranging from 6 to 60 tons. No power tools are needed for installation, and the wheels offer sufficient height for container maintenance. For added convenience, tow bars are also available for purchase. Upgrade your container handling efficiency with Coldene castors today. Enter the MLT system, setting the new standard in tile installation. Versatile and efficient, this system revolutionizes tiles set on floors, walls, and ceilings, allowing you to achieve joints with a minimal thickness of just 0.5 millimeter, an accomplishment few competitors can match. With only 3 reusable elements, MLT simplifies complex projects, ensuring quicker and higher quality work. Professionals can elevate their experience with the optional ergonomic gun, complete with nearly 1,000 MLT elements and a plastic box, all available for $800. Meet the Plazmax E-Tap, the ultimate solution for precision tapping in workshop settings. This table and tapping arm set is tailor-made for shops regularly involved in tapping operations. Featuring a detachable arm with a working radius of 1.3 meters, the Plazmax E-Tap offers versatility across various work areas. Torque control is managed by an electronic system, while the touchscreen interface aids in adjusting depth, thread pitch, and cutting speed with unparalleled precision. Choose from 2 thread ranges M3 to M20 and M6 to M30. catering to a wide range of tapping needs. For pricing details and inquiries, reach out to Plazmax directly and experience tapping efficiency like never before. Introducing the Titan PGD 3200X Post Driver, a must-have tool for builders, event planners, and campground owners. This versatile device efficiently hammers fence posts, tent poles, road signs, and more, making it an essential companion for various projects. With included parts for different diameters up to 8 cm, the Titan PGD 3200X adapts to your needs seamlessly. What's truly remarkable is its combination of a 1.3 horsepower Honda engine with a lightweight design of just 20 kilograms, making it powerful yet remarkably easy to handle. Ideal for solo work. Get your hands on the Titan PGD 3200X for $1,738 and experience efficiency like never before. Meet the Festool ISC 240, a cordless cutter designed for precision cutting of insulating materials. Despite its resemblance to a weapon from a zombie movie, this cutter is perfect for peaceful tasks. Equipped with a universal cutting element, the Festool ISC 240 handles mineral wool and polyurethane foam boards with ease. Impressively lightweight at just 1.4 kilograms, and boasting a cutting depth of 240 millimeters, this model allows you to work directly on scaffolding without interruptions or guides. Invest in the Festool ISC 240 for approximately $930 and elevate your cutting experience. Milwaukee presents the SDS Plus Dust Trap, a revolutionary dust extraction system for drill enthusiasts. Compatible with all SDS Plus drill bits, this system is the first universal solution approved by the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Say goodbye to messy drilling with the Milwaukee SDS Plus Dust Trap. With no need for a vacuum and seamless compatibility with drill bits up to 20 centimeters long, this handy system ensures a clean and efficient drilling experience. Get your hands on the Milwaukee SDS Plus Dust Trap for just $23 and drill with confidence. Introducing the Stanley 32050 FatMax Power Claw, the perfect hybrid between an extension cord and a clamp. With its practical 15 ampere capacity and 91 centimeter cord length, this tool is ideal for tasks on ladders or workbenches. Featuring secure rubber elements, the Stanley 32050 FatMax Power Claw ensures a stable attachment, even when upside down. Weighing just 640 grams, this versatile tool is available for $25.50. Upgrade your workspace with the Stanley 32050 FatMax Power Claw and experience unparalleled convenience. As we conclude our journey through incredible life-saving inventions, it's clear that technology has the power to save lives in unimaginable ways. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness about these remarkable innovations. Stay tuned to TechCode TV for more inspiring tech discoveries.